Hello, I'm Andreas, and today I want to give you some tips and setting instructions for the Kemper pickup in the field. Before we make any adjustments to the front of the pickup, we always close the safety valve on the roller holder first. This prevents roller compression unit from unintentional lowering. Here we see a lot of grass that has remained in the swath. This is due to the support wheels being set too high. You can adjust the height of the gauge wheels using this pin. Using the scale, you can see what height you have set. It's important to set the same height on both sides. The distance between the tines and the ground should be about 5 centimeters. If you set it too high, it leaves some crop behind. And if you set it too low, too much dirt will get into the pickup. Now you can see that the setting is optimal. There is the third wheel here underneath, and it should always run about 50 mm above the ground on a flat surface. The wheel helps the pickup to adjust to uneven conditions and prevent the tines from contact to the ground. In the first cut, or if you have a lot of mass, you should remove these paddles. Otherwise, you can have a problem with crop wrapping around the feed auger the middle. The paddles can be helpful in the later cuts or towards autumn. If you have the problem that grass builds up in front of the roller compression unit, this is probably due to the wrong setting of the unit. For this, you need to adjust this downstop. Loosen the screws, pull the downstop up. Now it's completely raised to maximum. Now you can see that the roller unit is set up too high since the roller does not rotate. And so it does not press down or spread apart the swath. Adjust the downstop again, so it looks like that. It's important that the roller always rotates when it lies on the swath. The setting of the tines is also very important because it can affect the material flow. Therefore, you should always check the setting. They must be set up parallel to the strippers. It must look approximately like this. You can also adjust the distance between the auger and the deck sheets. This can be adjusted at the stops behind the pickup with shims. You can also find this information in the operating manual. If you do not have the operating manual at hand, you can also scan this QR code with a smartphone, and you will be taken to the Kemper Plus where you can find information.